In this video, I'm looking into something super important for all you Instagram users out there. How to protect yourself from negativity and unwanted comments. We all know Instagram is an amazing place to express yourself with photos and videos, but it can be a breeding ground for unwelcome opinions. If you're like me and you want your Instagram experience to be positive, well, keep watching because I'm going to show you a feature that will help you do just that. Let's look at Hidden Words feature on Instagram. This nice tool lets you filter out offensive comments and DMs by using customizable lists of words and phrases that you might find offensive. Instagram even has preset lists to make it super easy for you. When a comment or DM contains one of these words, it gets hidden from your view. And guess what? Neither you nor the sender gets notified. But if you're curious, you can review these hidden messages later. Let me show you how to set this up. It's really simple. First, go to your profile and tap the menu icon in the top right-hand corner, which takes you into Settings and Privacies. Scroll down to Hidden Words. In Hidden Words, you have two sections: Automatic Words and Phrases, or Custom. Under Manage Words for Messages and Comments, tap Manage Custom Words and Phrases. Here, you can add any word you frequently encounter. For example, I could add politics and political because I dislike anything to do with this subject, and the phrase need your help because it's often a phrase used by those scammers. Instagram will look out for these words in comments, messages, and notifications to hide them from you. Once you have turned on your words or phrases, you can check the list by tapping Tap to view your list, and if you want to delete any, then you can click once and click the trash can to delete. Once you have your completed list, you can turn them either on or off for comments or phrases, or both, and that's it. You have a powerful tool to protect yourself from harassment, bullying, and hate speech on Instagram. This feature was introduced to give you more control over what you see on your feed, and it's especially great for keeping those annoying Instagram bots at bay. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.